Hello everyone, welcome back to our 5NOC tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we'll discuss National Immunization Schedule, which is very important. First, we'll see at birth. At birth, what all the vaccines has to be given for a baby or infant. At birth, BCG and then hepatitis B. And then OPV, that is oral polio vaccine. Oral polio vaccine. Here it is a 0 dose. We'll see first one, BCG, Bacillus Calmette-Guerin. Here it has to be given dosage is 0.05 ml. 0.05 ml through the route intradermal. Through the route intradermal. That is to the left upper arm. Why it is given to the upper arm only? That is for conventional purpose, for uniformity, we can say. Next, hepatitis, birth dose. That is hepatitis, that is 0.5 ml. 0.5 ml, that is given through the route IM. Here exactly IM, that is vastus lateralis muscle, that is anterior lateral aspect of thigh, because less than 3 years child, less than 3 years baby has to be given IM in vastus lateralis muscle, that is anterior lateral aspect of thigh. And then here OPV, 0 dose, it is oral polio vaccine. Here it is 2 drops. 2 drops at birth has to be given, and then route is oral. Next, at 6 weeks. At 6 weeks. Here BCG has to be given if not given at birth. We'll see here. BCG if not given at birth. One thing you have to keep in mind here, birth dose of BCG is different, 0.05 ml, and then at 6 weeks if not given at birth, here the dosage is 0.1 ml through intradermal left upper arm. That is BCG. And then OPV first dose here. OPV first and then Rota first and then pentavalent first dose, and then pneumococcal conjugated vaccine. This is also first dose, and then FIPV, that is fractional inactivated polio virus vaccine, that is also first dose. Here OPV, that is oral polio vaccine, that is 2 drops through the oral route, and then here Rota is 5 drops. This is also oral. And then pentavalent, here dosage is 0.5 ml, that is IM, and then that is in the vastus lateralis muscle. And then pneumococcal conjugated vaccine, that is out of 0.5 ml through the IM, that is also vastus lateralis muscle only. And then here FIPV, that is 0.1 ml, 0.1 ml intradermal through the intradermal. These all vaccines has to be given at 6 weeks. Now we'll see at 10 weeks. At 10 weeks, here OPV second dose, OPV second dose, Rota second dose, and also pentavalent second dose. Second dose, this is 2 drops through the oral route, and then Rota here 5 drops, that is orally, and then here pentavalent dosage is 0.5 ml, that is through the root, IM, that is in vastus lateralis muscle. This is at 10 weeks. Now we'll see at 14 weeks. 14 weeks. Here OPV third dose, OPV third, and then Rota third dose, and then pentavalent third dose, and then pneumococcal conjugated vaccine second dose, and then FIPV second dose. Okay, here OPV, that is oral polio vaccine, 2 drops oral has to be given. Rota 5 drops orally, and then pentavalent here 0.5 ml, that is to the IM, intramuscular, that is in vastus lateralis muscle, that is anterior lateral aspect of thigh, and then pneumococcal conjugated vaccine second dose, that is also dosage 0.5 ml, IM has to be given in vastus lateralis muscle. Here fractional inactivated poliovirus vaccine, that is second dose, dosage is 0.1 ml, that is intradermally has to be given. Here important point you have to keep in mind, if FIPV missed at 6 weeks, here you can give IPV, that is inactivated polio virus vaccine, that is dosage is 0.5 ml, that is to the IM. Here single dosage is single. These are the vaccines has to be given at 14 weeks. Now we'll see at 9 months. 9 months. Here at 9 months, measles has to be given. Measles, vitamin A, FIPV booster dose here, and then pneumococcal conjugated vaccine booster dose. It is booster dose. Measles, that is 0.5 ml, has to be given subcutaneously. Upper arm. And then vitamin A is called as 1 lakh international unit. It is orally. It is given oral. And then here FIPV booster dose, that is here it is given as intradermal 0.1 ml, that is given through the intradermal, and then pneumococcal conjugated vaccine here 0.5 ml, that is given through the IM. One thing have to keep in mind here, Japanese encephalitis only in endemic areas only in the selected district, that is 0.5 ml. Here Japanese encephalitis only in the endemic areas, that is 0.5 ml is the dosage. Here this one is given subcutaneously. At 9 months, these are the vaccines has to give. Now we'll see at 16 to 24 months. 16 to 24 months. Here MMR has to give. MMR has to be given. MMR and then OPV, booster dose, and then DPT first booster dose. DPT first booster dose. Here MMR, that is 0.5 ml, has to be given through intramuscular or subcutaneously can be given. And then OPV booster dose, here 2 drops orally has to give. And then diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, here DPT first booster dose, that is 0.5 ml, that is to the IM, vastus, lateralis, muscle. These are the vaccines has to be given 16 to 24 months. Next we'll see 5 to 6 years. 5 to 6 years. Here DPT second booster dose. DPT second booster dose has to be given, that is 0.5 ml IM. Here it is given through deltoid muscle because child crossed 3 years of age. Now we will see at 10 years. 10 years. Here TT has to be given. TT has to be given, that is TT first booster dose. First booster dose, that is 0.5 ml, that is given through the IM, that is deltoid. If option not there, can be given gluteal. Here it is in a TT first booster, and then comes to the 16 years. Here at 16 years, here TT, here this TT called TD, and then here again TT second booster dose. Second booster dose through the root, and then this is the dosage. And then here first booster is the second booster, and then first dose, second dose, when that pregnancy confirmed, that pregnancy, the diagnosis confirmed, that time mother has taken the first dose of TT, and then after 28 days second dose of TT, and then here the first booster, and then here the second booster dose. Here we'll see the routes, and then what are all the vaccine has to be given to the route. Subcutaneous, oral, intradermal, remaining is IM. Okay, we'll see subcutaneously. Subcutaneously, it has to be given, that is Japanese encephalitis, and then also which vaccine has to be given through the subcutaneous? Measles. Measles and Japanese encephalitis, that is 0.5 ml. Here also 0.5 ml has to be given. Comes to the oral. Here vitamin A, that is 1 ml, and then oral polio vaccine, that is 2 drops, and then rota, that is 5 drops. 5 drops. And then here intradermally BCG, that is 0.1 ml, and then FIPV, that is also 0.1 ml, and then all remaining vaccines has to be given by the route IM. All all remaining vaccines has to be given by the route IM, that is 0.5 ml. Here we have completed our national immunization schedule. I hope you all are very clear with the dose, route and then vaccines and also appropriate age. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.